December 8th, 2020, Daily Math Review. Two neighbors live 4,224 feet apart in a rural area. What is the distance between their homes in miles? So first off, we're going to start in conversions. So it tells us 4,224 feet apart. So I'm going to highlight that. That's what we start with. 4,224 feet. Remember, we can always put that in a fraction over 1. Now, what are we trying to get it to? We're trying to get it to miles. So we're trying to convert it to miles. And down here, we're trying to get rid of feet. So we're trying to get rid of feet. We're trying to convert to miles. So let's look back to our handy-dandy reference sheet. So miles and feet. So we have 1 mile. Oh, here's 1 mile. And feet, 5,280 feet. So 1 mile equals 5,280 feet. All right, now, remember, we can, in fact, let me steal these. We can cancel out our, perfect. We can cancel out our feet because feet divided by feet is 1. So we're done worrying about our feet because we have one diagonal from the other on top of each other. One in numerator, one in denominator. So now we're going to go straight across. So 4,224 times 1 is going to be 4,224. And then we are going to keep that miles there, miles. And down here we have 1 times 5,280, which is 5,280. All right, now to figure out what it's going to be in miles, we are going to take that and we're going to go from 4,224 divided by 5,280. Now, if we divide that, I will allow you to use your calculator for this one. You will get 0 and 8/10 of a mile. So that's not quite a mile, but it's 0.8 or 0 and 8/10 of a mile. So our answer is going to be 0 and 8/10 miles. Or you can put mile, or you can put of a mile. And that is going to be our daily math review. Great job.